Mrs Huckleberry is about to make breakfast, but she needs a mini frying pan. So I get to work to make one for her. For the cooking surface, I'm going to repurpose a glue cap, and for the handle, part of a matchstick. With hot glue, I glue the matchstick to the cap. I then prime the plastic cap with gesso. Then I paint the mini fry pan with acrylic paint. I am looking to create an imitation cast iron frying pan, so I've chosen to paint the pan with black acrylic paint. You could also paint the mini fry pan with metallic silver acrylic paint. It's now time to light the stove. After putting a pie in the oven, Mrs Huckleberry makes breakfast, and this morning she's going to enjoy fried bread, which was a common breakfast food during the Victorian period. And of course, she will serve her fried bread with jam. What should Mrs Huckleberry make next? I'd love your suggestions, Wonder Weavers. And you might also like to share with me your favourite breakfast foods.